Hi, are you running a team and want to identify the team contacts within your mobile device? It's super easy to do. Jump into your desktop application and you're going to click filter, and we're going to build a filter that'll capture team leads only. So once you open this up, you're going to scroll down to assigned users. Then you're going to click into contact owner. Now, when you click into this, you're going to see different elements of entry into the types of contacts you're going to see depending on your level of access within kvCore. So in my case, I'm an admin for a team, a company, and I'm also an agent in the system. So in this case, I would choose my team contacts and then click apply filters. Now, once I click apply filters, I'm then going to click on this filters applied again. And I'm actually going to save this filter down here at the bottom right-hand side. And I'm going to call this team contacts. Now, when I save this, I'll be able to access it on the mobile app, which is pretty awesome. Now, if I also want this to land here on the front side of my CRM, I can click on filters applied, then look for the cog of which needs to be flipped over to the right to show those results. Just got to go down here and turn this on for team contacts, flip this to blue, click save, and now my team contacts land as a filter of which I can access anytime very easily from my dashboard. However, you can always remove it just by clicking into filters applied, clicking the cog, and then sliding the cog over to the left to remove it as a quick option. I hope you have a great day.